So she's from the beautiful parish of Trelawney and now lives in Australia, where she's known for bringing Jamaicans together around the dinner table at Christmas time. Belver Williams-Niblett zooms in for our diaspora check-in segment. Good morning. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. I guess I should say good evening to you because it's almost 11 p.m. in Australia now, right?
Yes, it's very late.
Where in
nice
Australia?
to be here.
Where in Australia are you?
I'm in Melbourne.
In Melbourne. So you watch,
Melbourne.
I suspect you watch cricket a lot in Melbourne.
I know. Oh my God, I'm so disappointed.
The West Indies. Bring me up to date.
Yeah.
When did you leave us? Why did you leave us? And you went to Australia. Your first stop was in Australia?
Yeah, I left Jamaica in 2000 because of love. I got married to an Australian.
You got married to an Australian in Jamaica before you left, or when you went up there you got married?
Yeah, in Jamaica.
Okay.
We met through my work online, and it was such a, we correspond for about 6 months. Then he came over, we meet up, and before he left, he said, I want to get married.
Oh, well, as you said, you went because of love. That's an amazing love story. So you got there and what? When you look at the place, how did you say, I wonder why I'm coming here, so I want to go back to my house, or did you settle in?
No. It was beautiful. The place was nice. Everybody was nice. My only problem was the food. Oh my God. I couldn't find anything Jamaican to eat. You know what I used to do? I used to chop up lamb and curried it. Try to make it be like curried goat, but it couldn't be the same.
Yeah.
And the food just wasn't nice.
Were Jamaicans there when you went there? When you went there, did you see other Jamaicans?
Yes. There was. I heard that they have a restaurant called Yaman, so I went there and I met some Jamaicans, and they showed me around, and introduced me to other people. And then after a while, I started finding the Jamaican food, and the Greek people love saltfish. They call it bacala. So when I find out that it's here, I start, going to buy my saltfish, cook my Jamaican food. They have callaloo also in one of the market close to me. So I start finding stuff, even breadfruit I can find here.
Okay, so tell me about your Christmas dinners now, and who come to them, Jamaican people or Australian people?